Ready to make your videos pop with captivating motion? Let's dive into animating elements in CapCut and bring your projects to life. First, open your project in CapCut and select the element you want to animate a circumflex euros. This could be text, a sticker, or even a video clip. Tap on the element to bring up the editing options. Now, look for the animation icon. Tapping this will reveal a world of possibilities, divided into three main categories: in, out, and loop. The in animation is for how your element appears on screen. Browse through the options like fade in, slide up, or zoom in, and tap on one to preview it. Once you've chosen an in animation, you can adjust its duration. See the slider at the bottom. Drag it to control how long the entrance animation lasts. Next, let's explore out animations, which dictate how your element leaves the screen. Similar to in, you have options like fade out, slide down, or dissolve. Select your preferred effect. Again, you can fine-tune the duration of your out animation using the slider. This gives you precise control over the exit timing. For elements you want to keep moving throughout their appearance, use the loop animations. This is perfect for subtle pulses, bounces, or continuous rotations. Experiment with different loop animations to find the perfect subtle or energetic movement for your content. Adjust the loop speed and intensity as needed. For more advanced control, use keyframes. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe icon on the timeline for your selected element to set a starting point for motion. Move the playhead forward on the timeline and adjust the element's position, scale, or rotation. CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe, defining the movement between the 2 points. You can add multiple keyframes to create complex animation paths. Don't be afraid to combine different animation types for truly unique and eye-catching effects.